Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. In this tutorial we will create React.js application and then we will run it. So now here we are on command prompt, and after checking Node.js and Node and npm, next command that we have to perform is npx. This is also Node package manager, but the thing is it is used to create the React application. So we will write npx create React app without any space. You have to write create React app space, and after that you can write the application name. So let's say I'm going to show you one small demo on to-do application, so I can write to-do app. This is the project name. So I'm doing npx create React app and then to do app. So whenever we use create React app, required libraries will be automatically added in this project. We have another way also. We can use npm to create the project, but in that case you have to install required libraries manually. Let's click enter, and it will take 1 or 2 minutes to create your project and install required libraries in the system. Okay, so here we can see we get error because we have written create React. So we have to use create React app and tool. Click enter. Now we have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes to finish this operation, and just after that you will see one command, 2 or 3 commands. We have to use one of the command to run the project. So now you can see npx is installed, project is created under this location to do app, and now it is installing the required package. Required packages are React, React DOM and React script with CRA template. So using this template it will create all the project for the React application to do app. Let's wait for a few more seconds. Now you can see project is created, required libraries are also installed here, and after that you will see some commands here, that npm start to start your development server, npm run build to build this project for the production, and then if you want to run the test, then you can write npm test, and then npm exec to remove some of the tools. So here we suggest to begin by typing cd to do app. After that you can write npm start. So without doing anything, just we can navigate to the folder and then we can write npm start. This npm start actually starts your React script, and it will open your project in the browser on the port 3000. This is the default port for React.js application, and here you will see one of the page, that is default page generated by React.js. So now React.js is created here. We can click on link to learn more about React.js. So in the next video we will create one small to-do app and we'll see how it works. Thank you for watching the video.